Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Instaboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! There's a new collab happening between Discord and Wildgate. You can find a quest in your discovery option. Now this is only for the PC users. You can borrow PC from someone if you don't have it and collect 700 orbs. All you need to do is watch that video and you will get your 700 orbs. Now I've made a ton of videos on Discord orbs, but for some reason, if you haven't watched those videos, it's fine. Discord orbs is like a currency in Discord. You can get it from watching this quest videos. Sometimes, they give away 150 orbs and sometimes it's 700. Now what will you do with these orbs? You can go to Discord Orbs exclusive section and buy anything that's in your budget. There's Orbs badge, I am not sure what it does. It's best not to buy that and save up your orbs. The same with 3 days Nitro, I don't think that's enough. So save up and you can buy things like avatar and profile decor. That's something I would do because the only way to claim these orbs is through watching quests. I am not sure how frequently they will give us these free orbs. Also, by the way, you can't buy these orbs with money. It's just through watching quests, or maybe they'll give them away during Discord's birthday or something. So yeah, that is it. Let me know in the comment section if you got free orbs offer or not. And join my Discord server as we have decors, layouts, and a lot of fun folks to chat with. And if you love the video, hit the like and subscribe button because only my subscribers will have a better chance to get free Nitro.